Hi guys, it's Sarah with Something's Pretty Special, and I thought that since it's been so long since I've done a video that I would come and update you on a couple of things that I did over the holidays. I'm finally getting around to getting all of my Christmas stuff finally put away and back where it belongs. It's been out this whole time and I'm really just tired of looking at it, but before I did, and before I stored a couple of projects that I had made, I thought I would share them with you. This is the first one I have for you guys. It's just basically, it could be a junk journal on its own or just an insert for your traveler's notebook. Sorry about the glare. It does have a plastic sheet protector cover and it's really dark today here, so not a lot of natural light. Anyways, I got the idea and the tutorial for this from Christina Betts, and she has a YouTube channel called Christina Betts, and she does some really amazing stuff. And I really liked how she did kind of her insert junk journal for the holidays. So this is it. And this I went ahead and did, I think this is, let me double check, because I feel like I made it wider. Yeah, so this is 5 1/4, well, yeah, it's about 5 1/8 wide by 8 1/4. So I like a wide traveler's notebook, so a lot of mine are wides, not the narrow. I think the regular size is like 4 3/4 or 4. It's about a good inch narrower in width, but I like a wider one. So this is my front cover, and this was purely just to use up scraps and stuff that I had in my room. I did some sewing on it and I left my tails because I really like how this looks. The spine has these two jingle bells tied to it, and then there's some baker's twine that kind of holds this all together, and I'll show you kind of how that works. But if you definitely want a really great tutorial, go over to Christina's channel and she can definitely explain how she did this way better than I ever will. So because this is a clear pocket, I used double-sided paper, and then this was just scraps that I had, and this is like single sheets from Hobby Lobby. You can see I just went ahead and left the markings on the back, like really truthfully a junk journal. I sewed in some pockets. There's tags, although they're not really tags, they're just scraps left over from a junk journal, or not a junk journal, my December daily from a couple years ago. And I tried to alternate patterns and then a white here, so like if I wanted to do some memory keeping here, but like lists or whatever here, I can do both, which is generally how I like my inserts to be if I'm using pattern paper. Whoops. Another pocket with some more tags. So this is the center, and you can see the baker's twine. So how this works is, this is actually my insert here with the red Mary. This is my insert, and these are all stapled together. This piece is just in a sheet protector, and so the baker's twine is to hold this to this, if that makes sense. The red, this down here at the bottom is stapled. This is just slipped around it, which is cool because if I did say another insert another year, I could reuse this cover, but then this piece here would pop out and I could switch it up. So that was definitely what got me into this. And you can see the journal part itself is stapled, and then I use the twine just to create a place to slip this under. So another pocket. Actually, yeah, another pocket with some more tags. I did another one of these flip pages. And then that's it. So that's my little junk journal insert that I can use for next year. So thanks for watching, and please check out Christina's channel if you guys want to see how this was put together and kind of her thought process behind it. It was super easy to follow, and I think this is a super, super clever idea for using up the page protectors and to be able to kind of make a reusable cover. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great night. Bye.